What are Notion databases? Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the amount of information you need to keep track of while studying? If so, you are not alone. Today, we are going to talk about Notion databases and how they can help you manage your study time effectively. Notion databases are a key feature within the Notion application that allows you to organize and manage information in a structured manner. Picture a digital filing cabinet or a notebook where each entry is its own page. This setup lets you collect, sort, and filter various types of data, such as notes, tasks, projects, or study materials, all in one central location. Each database consists of rows, and each row acts as a page that can contain text, files, checklists, or other types of content. You can easily open any row to view more details or add additional information. The beauty of Notion is that databases themselves are also pages, which means you can move them around or nest them inside other pages just like any other content. To keep your information organized, databases utilize properties. Think of properties as columns in a table. They allow you to add details such as due dates, tags, status, or priority to each item. Using these properties, you can sort, filter, or search your data, making it simple to find exactly what you need. One of the standout features of Notion databases is the ability to view the same information in multiple ways. You can switch between table, list, board, calendar, gallery, or timeline views, depending on what suits your workflow best. For instance, you might prefer a table view to track assignments, a calendar view to schedule study sessions, or a board view to organize projects by subject. For students managing their study time, Notion databases are a practical tool. You can create a database for all your assignments, set due dates, add tags for subjects, and use filters to see only what is relevant for the week. Additionally, you can link databases together, such as connecting your assignments to your class notes or study resources, making everything easy to find and manage. Notion databases also support templates, which allow you to quickly create new pages with a consistent structure. This feature is especially helpful for recurring tasks, like weekly study plans or project checklists. You can also use sub-items and dependencies to break down larger projects into smaller steps, making it easier to stay on track. In essence, Notion databases are a flexible and powerful way to organize your study materials, track your progress, and manage your time effectively. They help you keep everything in one place, allowing you to focus on learning rather than searching for information. So, if you are looking for a way to streamline your study process, consider giving Notion databases a try.